Namaste everyone. This session will be the continuation of previous session in which I concluded with the 5 questions, and this is sixth question. Okay, let's start it. Who succeeded Dupleix as the next Governor General of French? Who succeeded Dupleix? It was Godehi who succeeded Dupleix. Dupleix was one of the greatest governors of French. He also took part in Carnatic First and Second Carnatic War due to his policies. The French won in Second Carnatic War. For this reason, he was made Subedar in southern Indian part. Okay, Dupleix. After Dupleix, Godehi came to be Governor General of France, and he adopted the policy of negotiations with the British instead of going for a wars like that. He adopted the policy of negotiations to avoid war-like situations. Next question. Which battle is known as a decisive battle of the Third Carnatic War won by British? Which is a decisive battle of Third Carnatic War? It was Battle of Vandivash. Battle of Vandivash in Tamil Nadu is known as a decisive battle. This battle actually decided for the victory of Britishers. In Second Carnatic War, the battle fought is known as Battle of Ambur, and in Third Carnatic War, the battle fought is known as Battle of Vandivash in 1760. Battle of Vandivash was fought in 1760. The victory of Vandivash left the English East India Company with no Europeans rivals in India. So, in Third Carnatic War, Battle of Vandivash was fought. It was fought between French and British, in which Britishers won. In Second Carnatic War, which is led by Dupleix from French side and Robert Clive from Britishers side. In that battle, the French led by Dupleix was won, and in Third Carnatic War, Britishers were won. And with this winning, the English East India Company has left with no European rival in India. Next question. In Third Carnatic War, who led the British and French armies? In Third Carnatic War, from British side it was General Eyrecourt, and from French side it was Count Thomas Arthur de Lally. Okay, from Third Carnatic War, from British side it was General Eyrecourt, and from French side it was Count Thomas Arthur de Lally. And in Second Carnatic War, from French side it was Dupleix, and from British side it was Robert Clive. So in Second Carnatic War, French forces were led by Dupleix and British forces were led by Robert Clive. In Third Carnatic War, British forces were led by General Eyrecourt and French forces were led by Count Thomas Arthur de Lally. Next question. Consider the following statement. First statement, the French army under Count de Lally captured the English fort of St. David and Vizianagaram in 1758. The British attacked the Machilipatnam under Admiral d'Aché. The French failed in Third Carnatic War. Count Lally is taken as prisoner of war and later in London imprisoned and executed in 1766. In Third Carnatic War, the Treaty of Peace of Paris was signed. Choose the correct answer. Only one statement is correct. Only statement 2 is correct. Only statement 2 and 3 is correct. All the statements are correct. So answer for this question is all the given statements are correct. So let's look for that. So in Third Carnatic War, Britishers were won. So French army under Count de Lally captured the English fort. It was started. Basically, Third Carnatic War was started when French army led by Count de Lally actually captured the English fort of St. David and Vizianagaram. To answer this, the British attacked the Machilipatnam. The British attacked the Machilipatnam under Admiral d'Aché. And in Third Carnatic War, French were failed, and Count Lally was taken as prisoners of war. Later, he was returned to returned to London, and in way he executed in 1766. In Third Carnatic War, after Third Carnatic War, the Treaty of Peace of Paris was signed. The Treaty of Peace of Paris was signed in or after Third Carnatic War. Next question. At which battle the Britishers defeated Dutch in 1759? The Britishers defeated Dutch in Battle of Bidara. Britishers defeated Dutch in Battle of Bidara in 1759. Like this, Britishers ousted all the European rivals. They ousted Dutch from defeating them in the Battle of Bidara, and French from Carnatic Wars. Earlier they ousted Portuguese also. Like this, they became the supreme power of India. So this is all about today. If you like this session, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.